Welcome back to Mirror and Thread. Thanks so much for joining us this week. We are happy to be back. We were on vacation last week in Montana and it was beautiful, but we are happy to be back in the swing of things, and definitely learned a few things about traveling with babies and how different the whole process is, but we had a lot of fun. So today I am sharing some Walmart home finds with you, and I don't know if these brands are these collections are particularly new to Walmart, but they're new to me because I just haven't done a lot of home shopping on Walmart in the past. I haven't really done a lot of home shopping in general until we moved into this house, and I kind of wanted to update things. So as I was looking through, I found some really great items that I'm very excited to share with you, and some of the collections are stunning, really good quality, really beautiful items, and the prices are unbelievable as usual for Walmart. So I'm gonna run through some of my favorite items, and then at the end, if you keep watching, I'm actually going to update our little coffee bar area and kind of give it a little bit of a fall Halloween spin. So if you want to see that, make sure you stay tuned to the end. I will have everything linked in the video description just like normal. Alrighty, I'm gonna start with this coffee pot. Now this is from the Beautiful by Drew Barrymore line. So she has a line of kitchen appliances, there's some knives, like measuring spoons, cups, that kind of thing. And it is so cute. I love all this stuff. So we were in desperate need of a new coffee pot. Ours, we lost like a couple of the pieces to it when we were moving, and so it just hasn't been functional. We usually use our Keurig, but sometimes on the weekends, we like to actually brew a nice pot of coffee. So I'm really excited to have this. But look how cute. So this is her little branding with the B for beautiful. And then I love that this is gold on the handle here. I just like the style of this. It's a little bit more modern, and it just looks nicer than some of the like classic, I don't even know what the brands are, but some of the classic coffee pots that you can get. And I feel like the price is really good for it being pretty cute. So it does have a digital screen that will pop up once it's plugged in, and it will only pop up when you touch it. So it looks really nice the rest of the time. And I think it's gonna be super cute in our coffee bar area. So I went with a black because our Keurig is black that we have, but this also comes in a beautiful white color with the gold and a really fun sage color too. She also has she has a full knife block set, and then I got just the 3-piece because I was loving the white on these. So these are white, and then on the sides, they have a little bit of wood detailing. Again, great quality. They look so nice. These have the little covers for the tips as well for storage. It's a little bit safer. And like I said, she does have the full white knife block too, which is really pretty. These make fantastic gift options. So if you are getting a head start on holiday shopping, I'm actually trying to do that this year. I've heard shipping times are going to be like insane this year. So I'm actually trying to start in October, November instead of waiting till December for holiday shopping. Things like this would make great hostess gifts. If you do joint couple gifts, or even if you have weddings or anything to attend, I think a lot of the things from this line would be really great. She also has a toaster and an air fryer, and I'm gonna put a picture up of the crock pot that I ordered. It has not come in yet, but she has a beautiful white crock pot, which I'm so excited about because when I have mine out now, I just have the classic one, and I feel like it's a little bit of an eyesore, and so I think it's gonna be really beautiful to have a white one, so when I'm entertaining, I can actually just leave things in the crock pot or carry it to a party or something and feel like I'm bringing it on a beautiful dish as well. The next brand I want to chat about is called Time and Table, and they have really pretty dish sets, tablescapes, all of the prettiest dishes. So I ordered a set of these black ones, and then I also ordered the really fun, it's kind of like a leopardy polka dot look, and I'm going to use like the bigger plates that are leopard and then this black set for the smaller plates, and I'm going to do a fall tablescape for those, which is fun to me because I've never actually owned a full dining table before we moved into this house. So I'm excited. We'll be doing some hosting this holiday season, which is unusual for me, and so I'm excited to have a different set. But these are great quality. If you want just a simple classic set of dishes, if you need an update, I think this black is fantastic. Black dishes, I've been seeing these everywhere. I think they're really popular right now. These are nice and classic. There's really no extra frills on them that I feel like you're gonna get tired of. The current dishes that we have, which we bought for our wedding, I still like them, we still use them, but they have like a pearly kind of a lot of detailing on them and I'm already a little bit tired of it. I kind of wish I would have done something more simple like this to begin with. So I think this is a great simple set. These are really good quality. They have pretty mugs and everything. And you can buy these as a set, like a 4-piece set, or I think it's a 12-piece set, but 4 pieces per person. Or you can get them, this is just, I ordered the little dessert plates by themselves so that I could kind of mix and match with the leopard set. This is my personal favorite from all the things I've ordered from the haul, and I think these are going to be so cute on our updated coffee bar area. So this is also from Time and Table. This is a little bit different print. They do also have this print still available in the dishes as well, if you like this print. This was a set of 4 mugs, so these all came together. And I think the gold on the handle here is a fun detail. It's gonna look really nice with the new coffee pot that we got. And I think these are fun gift items as well. So I know I like to kind of change out my mugs seasonally, do something a little bit different. If you've got the space for it, I think these would be really fun to change out seasonally and would make a great gift option. This little canister set I'm also going to use at our coffee bar station, but these would be great anywhere in your kitchen. You can do them in the pantry. I think they'd be really pretty out on a countertop if you use these things frequently. I am going to use them for mainly the coffee and sugar for the coffee bar. I don't know if I'll put this one out or leave this one in the pantry, but I thought this was just a fun design on these. These are really nice quality, so these are like a porcelain, and I like the lid on these as well. I just pulled them out of the package, so that's why there's some styrofoam still on them, but really, really cute, and these are very affordable as well. Since I'm doing new tablescape, thinking Thanksgiving, Christmas, that kind of thing, but I wanted it to be something neutral enough that I could continue using multi-seasonally. So I went ahead and went all the way and snagged these new black silverware too. These are Better Homes and Gardens, and I've been seeing silverware like this, like when we go to a trendier restaurant, I've been seeing that they're using black silverware or sometimes gold. This set also does come in gold. So if you want to have a different option, I think these are really, really fun and they're pretty affordable. You get a 20-piece set with these, which is probably more than you would need on a day-to-day basis. And I think that they look really nice. It's kind of like a matte black, so it still has a little bit of the like shiny silver underneath there, and then it is kind of a black. So I'll show you these a little bit closer. So here's one of the spoons. So I got a set of these, a set of 20, and they come in these nice little plastic wraps too. Last thing I snagged for the new tablescape was a set of placemats. These are jute or that raffia look, which again, I feel like these will work multi-seasonally. And the thing that's fun about everything that I chose and everything I'm sharing is you can use these multi-seasonally. And then like for fall, I'm just gonna throw in some neutral pumpkins and maybe like a fall centerpiece with some different fall florals in there. So you can really customize this. You could even do these for Christmas and do some little like Christmas trees around. So I like that you can do this multi-seasonally, but these are really, really good quality. They come in a set of 2 and they make beautiful placemats. All right, I'm excited to put all this stuff together over at the coffee bar, so join me over there.